Borodar pawb. Good morning. Croeso i gwasanaeth Seren yr Wythnos. Welcome to our Seren yr Wythnos Assembly. It's great to see that so many of you are still working hard online. It's good to see all your work, and your teachers are very proud of you. Llongyfarchiadau pawb. Congratulations to our winners for this week's awards. And here they are.
Hi Birthday Bear! It's lovely to see you back in Cymru de Cairo Primary School. Thank you for coming in this morning for this week's Seren yr Wythnos in Reception C. Who's the winner? Let's find out. It's going to be Lily B. It's Lily Brace. Lily Brace is this week's Seren yr Wythnos in Reception C. A fantastic effort with your phonics and number lines and a terrific pirate chip. Well done, Lily.
Hello everybody. Here's a message from one cheeky monkey to another. Miss Boyce has picked Isaac to be Seren yr Wythnos this week. Isaac, you're working really hard and she's so impressed with your reading skills. Well done, Isaac.
Van Dijk, super ball. Salah cuts in from the right. Beats one, beats two, shoots! Oh! Sensational goal!
Australia is in bronze territory right now, but Lizak is closing a little bit on Bernard. Can the veteran chase him down and pull off a shocker here? Well, there's no doubt that he's tightening up. Bernard is losing some ground. Here comes Lizak. Unbelievable at the end. He's done it.
Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Ruby and I am Mrs. Evans's dog. My mammy's been telling me all about her Seren yr Wythnos, and it's a girl in her class who's been working really hard and done some lovely work online, and her name is Sarah. Well done, Sarah.
Paris, we are so pleased with all the excellent work you're doing in maths at home with Mum and Dad. Keep up the hard work. We are very proud of you. Da iawn ti.
This week's Seren yr Wythnos for Year 3R will be revealed with some magic. It's Ella!
Hello boys and girls, I hope you're all okay. My Seren yr Wythnos this week is somebody who's working really hard. I've been working hard too, and I've got to go shopping today as well. I've written a quick list, and then I've realised that my list gives you a bit of a clue as to who my Seren yr Wythnos is going to be this week. Have you spotted? Well done, Ethan. Ethan Mabe, fantastic effort. Keep it up, my darling. See you soon.
My good mate, Mr. Williams, has asked me to announce this week's Star of the Week winner. And I'm delighted to say that it goes to a young man who's been working fantastically well on all the seesaw activities. And I know Mr. Williams is so proud of all your work. And I've also heard he's a bit of a triathlon fan as well. So you never know, I might see you in competitions in years to come. So well done, and congratulations to Charlie. Well done, mate.
Hiya boys and girls, this week's a little bit different because they do say that great things come in threes. So these children have been working really hard on Seesaw and uploading some fantastic work. We particularly enjoyed seeing their yoga poses this week. So I'd like to give to you firstly, Anna!
Irene. Paniotis.
Bore da blant, dwi'n hoffi tywydd poeth, a bwyta hifn iar yn y pŵl. Ond dwi ddim yn hoffi bwrw glaw, achos mae'n difflas. Da iawn sewn yr wythnos, hwyl fawr.
Shwmai pawb, Miss Davies yma, sut wyt ti heddiw? Dwi'n hapus iawn achos mae hi'n amser mynd i gweithio yn yr ysgol gyda fy ffrindiau. Diolch Emmy yn ddysgu Cymraeg i ni. Hwyl fawr.
Helo pawb, gobeithio bod ti'n cadw'n saff a gobeithio gweld chi cyn bo hir. Hwyl fawr.
Bore da, bachgen y merched. Sut wyt ti, Mrs Lewis? Dwi'n cyffrous. Sut wyt ti, Mrs Hanley? Dwi'n hapus. Achos, roedd ni'n mynd yn oel i ysgol. Hwyl fawr.
Bore da pawb, Mrs White yma, sut wyt ti? Dwi'n cyffrous achos mae'n benblwydd i mi ar dydd Iau a dwi'n caru cacen benblwydd, enwedig siocled. Rydw i'n mynd i fod 49. Wel, heddiw, cymylog a tywydd, gobeithio na fydd hi'n bwrw glaw, achos dwi'n mynd i redig gyda fi 2 ci, coco a fudge. Paidwch a bwrw glaw. Wel, cadwch yn ddiogel. Hwyl fawr. Barod, coco a fudge? Barod? 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 Mae hi'n bwrw glaw. Na.
Helo, fechgyn y merched. Shwmai, sut i ti? Rydw i'n hapus. Mae'n aelog heddiw. Felly rydw i'n mynd am dro. Hwyl am nawr. Diolch Emyr.
Prynhawn da plad, Mrs Ross dwi, a Benji.
Helo blant, sut wyt ti? Dwi'n hapus yn gyfroes, achos dwi'n mynd i weld ti gyd cyn bo hyd. Hwyl fawr.
Shwmai pawb, sut ydych chi? Dwi'n trist, achos dwi'n gweld eisiau y plant chwaer ysgol eto. Mae bron amser gwely. Dwi'n gwisgo binc gwn llofft a sliberi. Mae gen y fy Teddy. Dim siarad. Gwrandewch. Enw Teddy, Stitch. Roedd i'n mynd i'r brysio danydd nawr a mynd i'r gwely. Nos da.
Prynhawn da bawb. Sut wyt ti? Dwi'n byw yn Bryd y Pandy dewi trist heddiw achos mae hi'n bwrw glaw. Mae hi'n 1 a 10. Mae hi'n amser cinio. Dewi eisiau brechdan ham a gaws, apfel a coffi. Hwyl fawr.
Helo bawb, gobeithio chi bod yn iach. Dwi'n teimlo'n gyffrous achos byddwn eich gweld chi gyd cyn bo hir. Gobeithio bai chi gyd yn gyffrous hefyd. Tan hynny, cadwch yn ddiogel, Golchwch eich dwylo a pheidiwch anghofio gwenu. Hwyl fawr!
Bore da plant, sut o'i ti? Dyma ci gyda fi. Dwi'n hoffi ci achos mae'n hwyl. Hwyl fawr!
Helo blant, sut o'i ti? Dwi wedi bod y dysgu Cymraeg. Beth ydych chi wedi ddysgu? Hwyl naw!
Helo pawb, sut o'i ti? Dwi'n hapus o fod yn ôl yn yr ysgol. Dwi'n wedi mwynhau dysgu Cymraeg. Diolch yn fawr Emer. Mae hi'n braf heddiw. Dwi'n ddim yn allan ar y gardd. Hwyl fawr!